Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to snooze someone's posts for 30 days on Facebook using your PC. This is a great way to take a break from someone's updates without unfriending or unfollowing them. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your preferred web browser by heading to facebook.com and logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, scroll through your news feed to find a post from the person whose updates you'd like to snooze. When you've located their post, look at the top right corner of it. You'll see 3 small dots. Click on them. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select the option that says, Snooze their name for 30 days. And that's it. Facebook will now hide their posts from your news feed for the next 30 days. Don't worry, they won't be notified that you've snoozed them. After 30 days, their posts will automatically reappear in your feed. If you change your mind before then, you can always undo the snooze by revisiting their profile or adjusting your settings. This simple feature is perfect for decluttering your news feed while maintaining connections with friends, family, or pages. We hope this guide helps make your Facebook experience more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.